Hello there, fellow UFO enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to our exploration of the unknown. Today, we're setting our sights skyward on a journey to investigate the fascinating phenomenon of UFO sightings. We'll be traversing across the globe, from the bustling streets of Asia to the expansive deserts of Africa, all the way down to the icy tundras of Antarctica. And yes, we'll also be making a stop in the land down under Australia. Each corner of our world has its own unique stories to tell. Strange lights in the sky, unexplainable events that have left many puzzled, excited, and sometimes a bit scared. We promise you it's going to be a thought-provoking ride. So grab a cup of tea or coffee if you prefer, sit back, and prepare to have your minds expanded. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of UFO sightings. UFO sightings have been reported from every corner of the globe, each one unique. Each one mysterious. Let's dive into this intriguing world and unravel some of these enigmatic encounters. Starting with North America, the sightings have been as diverse as the continent itself, from the pulsating orbs seen over the Rockies, displaying a kaleidoscope of colors, to the silent triangular craft reported over the bustling cities of the East Coast. The shapes are far from standard. Some describe them as disc-like, others report them as cigar-shaped. The behaviors equally puzzling. Some sightings involve high-speed maneuvers, defying the known laws of physics. Others report hovering crafts, silent and motionless, as if observing or waiting. Crossing the Atlantic to Europe, the descriptions vary, yet an intriguing pattern emerges. Here, the sightings frequently involve lights, bright multicolored lights that dance across the sky in ways that no known aircraft can. In the United Kingdom, there have been reports of large, silent, black triangles, much like those seen in North America. In Scandinavia, witnesses often describe seeing glowing orbs, moving in inexplicable patterns, leaving the onlookers in awe. Comparing these sightings, one might think that we're dealing with a myriad of different phenomena. But could there be a common thread? Are these sightings related, or are they independent events, each with its own unique characteristics? The shape, color, and behavior of these UFOs seem to vary greatly across regions, yet they all share one common trait. They defy our current understanding of technology and physics. This global phenomenon doesn't stop here. UFO sightings are not confined to North America and Europe. They're a worldwide enigma that stretches to the farthest reaches of our planet. Now let's venture into the UFO sightings reported from other parts of the world. UFO sightings in Asia and Africa have their own unique characteristics and patterns. As we turn our gaze towards the east, we enter a realm of mystery and ancient wisdom. Asia, with its diverse cultures and vast landscapes, has been a hotbed for UFO sightings. Many accounts from this part of the world describe these unidentified flying objects as being more intricate in design, often glowing with radiant, multicolored lights. They're reported to move with a speed and agility that defies our understanding of physics, disappearing and reappearing in the blink of an eye. In the busy skies over China and India, sightings of disc-shaped and cylindrical objects are common. In Japan, there's a fascinating trend of UFOs being spotted near bodies of water. Over in the Middle East, the stories often involve craft that emit an intense, almost blinding light. As diverse as these descriptions may be, what unites them all is a sense of awe and wonder. Now let's journey south to the vast plains and deserts of Africa. Here, UFO sightings often have a deeply spiritual context. In many African cultures, these strange lights and objects in the sky are seen as omens or messages from the divine. There's a rich tradition of stories that speak of star beings visiting Earth, passing on wisdom and guidance to humanity. From the dense jungles of Central Africa to the arid landscapes of North Africa, people report seeing luminous orbs that move in patterns too precise to be natural phenomena. There are also accounts of larger, structured craft that hover silently in the sky, often vanishing as quickly as they appear. In both Asia and Africa, these reports challenge our preconceived notions about life beyond our planet. They invite us to question, to explore, and to keep our minds open to the possibilities that exist in our vast universe. Now that we've explored UFO sightings from 4 continents, let's move on to the last 2, Australia and Antarctica. The remote and extreme climates of Australia and Antarctica have also had their share of UFO sightings. Now let's delve into the mysteries of these southern regions. Australia, a land of diverse ecosystems, has reported numerous UFO sightings over the years. The vast outback, with its open skies and minimal light pollution, offers perfect conditions for spotting unexplained aerial phenomena. A common pattern in these sightings is the presence of bright, fast-moving objects that seem to defy known laws of physics. Many witnesses describe these UFOs as having unusual shapes, with some resembling boomerangs or triangles. Antarctica, on the other hand, is a frozen wilderness, mostly uninhabited and shrouded in darkness for half the year. Yet despite its hostile environment, it has been the site of some fascinating UFO accounts. Reports from research stations often detail strange lights in the sky, frequently described as glowing orbs of various colors, moving in ways that conventional aircraft cannot. These sightings are particularly intriguing due to the absence of typical air traffic in these remote regions, ruling out common explanations such as planes or helicopters. Interestingly, while the descriptions of UFOs in Australia and Antarctica may differ, they share a common trait: the seeming ability to operate in extreme conditions, whether it's the harsh desert heat or the brutal Antarctic cold. This shared characteristic raises intriguing questions about the potential origins and capabilities of these unidentified craft. However, it's worth noting that, despite the numerous reports, conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life behind these sightings remains elusive. Many of these accounts are based on personal experiences, and while they are indeed compelling, they are not definitive proof. As we delve deeper into the exploration of our universe, perhaps one day we will unlock the secrets behind these unexplained phenomena. For now, they remain an intriguing part of our world's mysteries, sparking curiosity and wonder in all of us. With that, we've covered UFO sightings from all around the globe. Let's summarize what we've learned. This journey across the globe, exploring UFO sightings, has been fascinating, hasn't it? We've taken a virtual tour from the bustling cities of Asia to the expansive savannas of Africa, down to the remote wilderness of Australia and the icy solitude of Antarctica. We've heard tales of strange lights, peculiar shapes, and unexplained phenomena that have left us scratching our heads in wonder. Let's recap. In Asia and Africa, we heard of sightings characterized by radiant lights, often in triangular formations, hovering silently in the night sky. These accounts were strikingly similar, suggesting a potential pattern in these regions. However, in stark contrast, the stories from Australia and Antarctica spoke of disc-shaped objects and bizarre aerial maneuvers, breaking our initial thought of a universal UFO design. This diversity in descriptions, far from discouraging, only makes the pursuit of understanding these sightings even more exciting. It pushes us to question our assumptions, to dig deeper, to keep an open mind. Are these differences due to cultural interpretations, or do they hint at a multitude of extraterrestrial visitors, each with their own distinctive spacecrafts? The answers are not clear, and that's the beauty of it. As we conclude this segment, let's remember that this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole universe out there teeming with mysteries we've barely begun to scratch, so don't stop here. Keep reading, keep researching, keep watching the skies. You never know when you might stumble upon something that challenges your understanding of the world. Let's also remember to approach these mysteries with respect and humility. We are, after all, dealing with phenomena that might well be beyond our current comprehension. Let's be patient, curious, and open-minded. Let's be ready to question, to learn, and to grow. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, and who knows, you might be the next person to spot a UFO. As we conclude our journey into the world of UFO sightings, let's remain curious and open-minded. It's been an absolute pleasure to delve into these intriguing mysteries with you. If this video piqued your interest, then do subscribe to our channel. It's not just a click, it's a thumbs up for curiosity, a pat on the back for our shared quest for knowledge. And if you found this video interesting, do give it a thumbs up. It's a way to say you enjoyed the ride, and it helps us bring more such fascinating content your way. But the journey doesn't end here. Let's keep the conversation going. If you've had an experience or have thoughts on UFO sightings, drop a comment below. We're all explorers in this vast universe, and your insights make the adventure all the more enriching. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, and remember, the truth is out there,